What is up, ladies and gentlemen? And today, as you can see, we've got the Heat review and unboxing of the Jordan Retro 6 in the Carmine colorway, a complete classic in that white and red. As you can tell, I got Raphael right here, the bear brick, in the red, Ninja Turtle, of course. But this is what we're about to get into right here. So let's get right to it. But before I can do that, hit that subscribe button for me, please. It helps me and the YouTube algorithm out, as well as that like button. Smash that like button. Let's get this video to 50 likes. 50 likes, that's it. Hit that review, hit that like button, as I'm gonna bring you both the grade school and the men's pairs to see today. You guys are gonna get an up close side-by-side comparison in this video. I'm gonna talk about what I like, what I don't like, and you guys already know. Let's get right to it. Alright, so here we go. We've got both the shoes side by side in the men's box on my left and the Jordan grade school box on my right. 3, 2, 1. So here we go. We're starting with the Carmine 6 grade school pairs. Man, these are beautiful in person. I do actually like these a lot in hand compared to some of the images. I did get an early look. They are very nice, and I was like, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get my size. As you can see, this is a size 11 and this is a size 6.5 youth. That's the size reference or range, just so you guys know, or true to size scale that you're looking at while I'm reviewing these pairs. First, I just want to go ahead and show off that very nice red and white color blocking on a oh so nice classic with that icy bottom. They are a blue toned icy bottom and then a white outsole with a red hit of that Jumpman. Just like the classic pairs, just like the last retro, but this one is different. You're probably like, what? How's it different? Nike Air boys. We don't do 3 stripes. I'm just kidding. I do like 3 stripes in some shoe models, silhouettes, whatever. But oh my gosh, that Nike Air on the back hits so beautifully. I'll say there's not too much of a difference if I'm being honest, but I will get to the main difference as we get into this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this one with you guys on camera. This is the men's pair, as you can see, in a size 11. But whew, there's that icy bottom. And the 6s do come with a lace lock. A lot of people don't know this, actually. You'd be surprised. But one side has Nike in that bold Nike color blocking, and the other side has the Jordan logo. So pretty cool right there. And then on the interior of the box, you have that nice cement print right here. And that goes throughout the paper and to the actual box itself. As you guys know, on the Jordan 6s and 5s and all that. Now, if you're worried about that you might have gotten an unauthentic pair, always double check for the blue writing right here on the interior of the box. It's a Nike stamp for authenticity purposes, and it should have a gold 29 QC sticker right next to it, as well as the sticker right here on the inside of the box in the green pull tab sticker. So now that I've gotten these out, let's talk about them. Looking at them side by side, there's not too much of a difference, if I'm being honest. They executed the grade school pairs amazingly, in my opinion, for this release. The leather on them's nice, that suede on them is nice, and man, you just cannot go wrong with a pair of Carmine 6s. Add them to your collection before the prices jump. Let me just tell you that right now. But Nike Air on the back right here. You do have the same on the men's pairs right there. It's looking beautiful. One of my favorite things about the 6 model actually is this heel tab, as well as the tongue. The tongue right here, if you're not too big on the 6s and you maybe just didn't know, it's got those eyelets right here. Whew, those are sick. But this shoe right here, it does have some sentimental value for me. I bought this pair on the last release. I missed it. I had let it go. I missed them so much. I just wish that it had that Nike Air on the back, and it does. It really does this time. So I'm just, man, these are a personal right here. Beautiful shoe. You got that midsole black to white to icy translucent bottoms, and then you got the upper red and white with a little mixture of black on the inner lining and the heel tab to bring it all together. So the perfect Bulls colorway shoe right here, in my opinion, and one of the coldest that Jordan ever played in my opinion. Again, from the back view right here, not much difference. The only difference on the grade school pair that I can 100% notice is the puffy ankle support right here. It's not as, puffy as far as this one, as you could tell, and it's a lot softer. So this one's gonna have more of a sturdy feel to it, and it's hard. But this one is flimsy and not too much ankle support. Not too many people will be balling in these anyways, but that's just the only difference that I can, notice. It's not too much of a difference on the color scheme of them. Not too much of a difference on the color scheme, in my opinion, but I will say, the men's pair does have a very, very nice suede compared to the grade school. The grade school, I'm not saying it's bad. Definitely go get your pair if you're in that size range to save that money, you know what I'm saying? But the suede on this pair compared to this pair is a little bit better, and I'm not here to lie to you. Let's get to what I like the most about the Carmine 6. Easily for this release, that Nike Air on the back. That booty looking so nice, as people would say. The Nike Air on the back is just a classic, brings back that original Jordan vibe. And man, just the overall shoe silhouette, I'm a fan of the Carmine, so I might be a little biased. I'm not here to lie. Like I said again, this shoe is just beautiful. It's a piece of art, in my opinion, seriously. And I'm not even saying that to be funny. This shoe is a piece of art, especially if you think about when it originally came out. Back in the day, this shoe is something like they've never seen before. The color blocking, the overall silhouette, the heel tab, man, really nice shoe for its functionality and its purpose on the court. But as you guys know, not a lot of people will be balling in those, but if you are, power to you, because dang, these are beautiful. The one thing on this release that I am not a fan of, right, especially on the men's pair, if you got a pair coming in, double check them before you keep them. A lot of the midsole, there was a lot of defects, a lot of bleeding, pink bleeding onto the white midsole area. And that is not good, my friends. That is not good. That is an issue that Nike really needs to fix. That should not be happening at this point in time with their technology, with their ability to mass produce a shoe. And in my opinion, that's unacceptable. Those shoes will be going to outlets, and I will not be buying them because it will look so trash compared. It's nothing about a resale value. It's just the fact of the matter that they cannot produce that many shoes now without defects. Come on now, Nike. But thousands of pairs were sent back, just because of the midsole area being messed up. My pair came out beautiful, so I am very grateful for that. I cannot complain, and I love that icy bottom. I do wish they would, stray away from the blue tint, but other than that, that's just my opinion, right? I'm not here to discourage anybody from getting a pair. Definitely add these to your collection, man. These are crazy, crazy shoes. Hit that subscribe button down below and comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Are you taking the men's quality, the grade school quality, or do you not care? And let me know, did you get a pair? I'm interested to see how many people out there got a pair, how many people out there wanted a pair. But yeah, I hope this review was perfect, short and sweet, allowed you guys to see the comparison of the grade school and the men's, and the similarities. The main difference, if I'm being real, is the box, y'all. It's the box. That Nike Air is intact on both of the heels, as I've shown you a few times now. So other than that, man, this release, I would definitely recommend grabbing these. They do have a resale value of about $300 to $325 on the day of release, February 13th, today, at the time of filming this. But prices I do expect to dip a little bit as the online orders start to ship in. If you think about that, it always happens. Not to say that this shoe will not skyrocket in the future with the Nike Air on the back. So that's just my thought process of it all. Definitely add these now though. If you want them, add them now to your collection, because you will not have too much of a chance to get them later on as time goes on. Especially recently, with all the hype around the shoe market, we've seen a lot of shoes such as the Super Bowl 12s that I thought were atrocious, not a good shoe in my opinion, sell out, resell. Like, come on now, y'all, let's be specific here. You know, the pairs that came out looking nice, very nice. That's just my opinion, man. Thank y'all so much for watching all the way to the end of the video. Hit that subscribe button and hit that like button for me. While you're down there below the video, please hit that notification bell just to stay tuned, up to date on what I'm putting out. I'm about to start pumping out a lot more content for you guys. You know, multiple videos throughout the week to keep y'all entertained, keep y'all informed, and most of all, keep y'all cool. So, y'all know what to do, y'all. Be easy.